Yo, welcome back.
Share.
It's all good now.
Play.
Story by So we're back. We lost the webcam. And
Picture mo sa inyo, pre.
here we go again.
Layo, pre. Paano pag nag-garnish ako?
Oh, let's go. Introduce yourself. What course you are taking and what are your hobbies? My name is Byron and I'm taking civil engineering course and my hobbies are playing games and playing basketball. Next, Blood.
Hey, it's me, Papa Vlad. I'm taking dentistry, and my hobbies is looking for money. Huh? That's basic.
Hobbies.
Basic needs. You need money, but I'm hungry with it. And watching games,
Yes.
doing games. Hey.
Kasi games.
Yo, it's your boy Joji. I'm taking IT right now. Currently second year. Yeah. And my hobbies is watching anime, playing basketball, drinking alcohol. Alright.
Lapit ka, lapit.
Yo, what's up? My name is Neil, and you can call me Nay. And I am currently graduating student from Dabsu University of the. Just kidding. So I like playing games also. One of my favorite games are like MOBA games, Dota, something like that. And that's all.
Yeah, pwede naman mag-Tagalog tsaka English pag nahirapan na tayo, no?
Oh my God.
So, first and foremost, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo lahat, mga nandito. Lalo na yung mga to, Neil, AC, and Joji. Tsaka pa si Brad. Wala pala si AC, lumabas siya. And dyan, gusto ko lang magpasalamat. And, yeah. For the next, we're gonna describe ourselves with one word. And, sana makapag-isip sila. Isip na kayo ngayon, guys.
One word.
One word lang, ha. Walang exaggerate sa atin. Mag-umpisa sa akin.
Wait. Don't start it yet.
Oh, sige. Sige.
We're thinking.
We're thinking.
Yeah.
Tinkering about 3 minutes. Sige.
Okay.
You guys,
Pwede
Ready?
2 words? Yes.
one word moving eh. One word lang. Kung connected naman, okay lang.
Okay.
But minimum one word, maximum 2. You gonna okay,
yeah.
start from me.
Progression.
I'm gonna describe myself with what? I'm still thinking, bro. Fuck. This is hard. Anybody who got
Me.
one?
Mistake.
No, I don't think you are a mistake, bro.
You should
You don't
Yeah.
have to describe yourself like that, bro.
Mistake can
Because of
be pwedeng maitama ang mali sa paggawa ng
Oh,
tama.
But you don't have to describe yourself as a mistake.
mistake. Yeah.
But
You're not
a
a
mistake can be a good thing.
Can be a bad.
Because ang pagkakamali, pag naitama, mas maganda ang resulta.
Tama. Doon kami tama.
But you don't describe yourself. You don't
I will
describe
say-
yourself as a mistake. Can you
Mistake.
think of another word? You don't have to push mistake, bro.
Hmm.
You think another word to describe yourself.
Improvement.
Oh. That's good.
Yeah. There's a lot
I'll
of
choose
improvement.
that over mistake.
Yes. Yeah.
About you, my friend? You do have one already, or?
No.
Yeah, I'll go. But in a positive way, I'll describe myself as true, or
Yeah.
being true. That's it. That's the word.
You don't lie, mama. You don't lie.
Yeah.
What about you, my friend?
I think one call away.
Daming words done. But yeah, man. Yeah. I'll get it. I'll get it.
No.
That will count. Okay. Okay.
Away now.
The other one. So we're moving on. And say that one positive trait. Only one positive trait that you think you have in your life, or basically in yourself. You guys understand me, right?
Me first.
Okay.
Happy.
Nice. Yeah. What a positive.
Adaptive.
Yeah.
Good shit. Good shit. Yeah, I'll be thinking of it. Positive trait about me, honest, I guess.
Honest.
Yeah.
That's true.
I think
My bad.
Yeah.
yeah, I'm pure.
Oh,
Ah, I like that.
That's good. That's good.
That's
Okay.
Enchantress.
So on the other one, we're gonna say negative trait about ourselves, and after that negative trait, we have to describe, or how do we wanna overcome that negative, or kunwari negative siya, paano natin siya
Nasusolusyonan.
masusolusyonan as para ma-overcome natin yung negative trait na yun. Gets ba yung tanong?
Yes.
So, you're gonna say one negative word and
Negative word. Okay, I'll go first. The negative word, sabi ko nga nung una, sa mistake. But ang mistake, naitatama siya ng tamang bagay. That's why, nung pangalawa, tinanong mo ako ulit, ang nasabi ko naman, improvement. Mistakes can be corrected, and also, it gives you an improvement.
so basically mistakes can lead to improvement.
Yes,
also.
that's true. That's true, naman.
That's a good.
They are connected.
Yeah.
They're connected.
That's true. That's true. How about you, Neil? Do you have one?
I'm still searching.
Yeah, me too.
Yes. Okay. It's okay. Take your time, bro. Take your time.
That's such a Robin.
For me, the negative the negative trait that I have siguro is procrastination, and that's the hardest thing that I'm
What is
still
procrastination, bro?
you know,
Imbis na gagawin
there's
mo
a
na.
lot of if you know manana habit.
Oh,
Manana habit is in Tagalog mamayana,
oh.
and
Hanggang sa
I'm
naging
still-
mamaya na mamaya.
yeah.
Oh.
Yung kaya naman natin gawin ngayon, di na natin pwedeng ipagpabukas. Kung kaya naman natin gawin ngayon, yun lang. And
How do
yeah,
you
I'm still
overcome with it?
I'm still trying to overcome with it, like, trying to make a list throughout the day so I can finish those things na kailangan kong tapusin within the day. Yun, ganun ko siya gustong i-overcome.
Siguro yung katamaran. Laziness.
Laziness.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how do you plan to
Siguro ma-overcome natin yun kung gagawin na lang natin. Like, lalabanan natin yung katamaran, kumbaga.
Inspired.
by taking actions?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
Nice. Nice.
How about you, Neil?
Wala ka pa pala?
Alam ko pa.
Okay.
Inconsistent.
Yeah.
Oh, that's negative. Okay. How do you
Overcome it?
Yeah.
Alos pareho lang nung sagot mo.
Okay.
Kaso lang, ako kasi, kaya ko namang gawin yung mga bagay na yon. Ang problema nga, hindi ako consistent. So, siguro, kailangan ko maging passionate. O kaya dun sa tag dito, kailangan ko ma-inspired din. Para at least, na nagkakaroon ako ng self-drive na gawin yung mga bagay na patuloy-tuloy.
Yeah. That's a great analogy by Neil. And yeah.
Sige. You want to use this press?
So, on the next one, we're gonna talk about the things that we have in common. We can, like one or two things, we can say one or two things that we have in
Na
common.
nandito sa
Sa ating ugali natin, tayong magkasama magbabarkada. Yun. And if you guys have anyone, please.
Siguro yung
Ikaw,
pagkaano natin, pagkakulokoy. Lahat tayo, ganun tayo.
Understand, yeah. Like the craziness is in, yeah. I get it.
Yeah.
Another one.
Me.
Will, do you have?
One common.
Intrapersonal.
Wow, that's
Ah.
that's hard.
That's hard.
What's that? What's that? Can you elaborate?
Explain it. Can you explain? Synergy.
Because just like this, we are easily to communicate to each other without doing doing
Without showing much
such
effort,
as
you know.
complicated things.
Something like that.
Can you elaborate more in Tagalog, please?
Yeah, pre.
Kumbaga, yung madali tayong makisalamuha.
Yun lang yun, pinahirapan ko.
Intrapersonal.
Yeah.
Is that what it means?
Meaning of it.
Something like that.
Okay. About you, do you have anyone?
Serious?
Serious?
No,
Yeah.
sometimes
Yeah.
sometimes we are serious.
Let him cook, man. Let him
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's okay. Sometimes we are serious, like, but mostly we are colloquies.
Yeah.
We laugh, diba?
I
Like,
guess what Vlad is trying to say is we
we're
get
complex.
we get serious every time, and especially on the times that we need to get serious, you know, and we get crazy when the fun times are in, and we get serious when
Just like
Yeah.
when we are creating
just like when we are
Pag-aral.
yeah,
Pag-alak.
yeah, aral
Research.
ganon. Yeah,
Mm.
that's true.
Mali pala yung sa akin.
Instead of interpersonal.
Okay.
Typo. Okay. So this is a deep one, I guess, but we're gonna move on to it, and the other one is we're gonna talk about our first half of the year, basically the first 6 months of this year. How was this year for you, and you know, how's that past 6 months did to you, or what have you learned? Basically, there's a lot into it. So, gets nyo ba?
Okay.
So, if you have anyone, just get the mic, bro.
Okay. Me first, bro.
Okay.
As I said,
Yeah,
as I've said, failure makes an improvement, di ba?
right.
That's why kwento ko lang, last 2 sems is
Yeah,
bumagsak ako. And bakit ako bumagsak? Natakot ako sa prof. Nanginig ako. Syempre sabi nila nakatakot yan, magdasal ka na, yun yung prof mo, ganyan. Pero this sem, ang dami nila sabi, magdasal ka, prof man. Pero nung na-overcome ko yung takot na yun, which is, ayun yung dahilan bakit bumagsak ako. Ngayon, pati board exam pare, hindi ko iniisip na babagsak ako.
Yeah.
And
confidence.
I got a good grades. Like, ramdam ko yung improvement this 6 months. And, alam mo yan, yung confidence lalong mabuboost. Then, wala kang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba.
Yeah.
Lahat ng to, kayang-kaya mo yan. Una lang yan, kung na mo problema ka ngayon, bukas wala na yan.
Yeah. That was deep.
Basta may tayo.
Hands up. Paano ba yan? Applause to Vlad. You're not recording. Ang dami natin sinabi dito, no? Anyone? Next? What do you guys think? I'll go first,
Sige.
I guess. Yeah. For the first 6 months of the 2024 has been really tough for me, especially physically and mentally, you know. And I've been dealing with, you know, training and school, and I'm trying to balance those two, but there's a lot to, you know, overcome when it terms to academics. Siyempre, as a person na hindi ganun ka nag-excel sa course niya, and I'm trying to do my best as, you know, as the time goes by, and yeah, feel ko kaya naman, and hopefully we transcend next year, and we're gonna finish that degree, and hopefully to finish get that license. Yun lang, mahirap sa academics, but you know, we push through even though we fail we stand up and we fight for life, man. Because that's the one thing that always coming into my mind whenever failing or not passing the hardest or major subjects in especially in my course, man. I'm trying to um to prove to myself and trying to cope in a positive way.
Yeah,
And
always
yeah.
push your limit.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's it.
Exceed your
But
limit.
6 months, yeah, man, we have a lot of time. So yeah,
You're young,
next,
bro.
yeah,
You're
let's
young.
go. Who else have one? Pwede Tagalog, pwede English.
Ano kasi?
6 months, past 6 months of this year.
More on ako eh. Nag-explore
Yes.
kasi dun mo makukuha yung pag nag-explore ka, parang meron kang natututunan na ibang bagong bagay na hindi mo pa nagagawa or nararanasan. So ako, blessed ako na kahit papano, may mga bagay ako na na-explore dun sa 6 months na yon. So, yun. Tama ba?
That's good, that's
That's
good.
good.
Yeah, good, good.
Ayun yung pangangamusta ng 6
Tama,
months.
tama, yun.
For me, for the past few
6 months.
6 months, I've been thinking lately na what if hindi ko masuklihan yung mga
Mga paghirap ng
yes, yung parang ganon.
Yes.
Pero I'm trying to do my best to overcome it, like para matupad yung mga gusto kong plano para sa future. Ganun lang.
That's good, bro.
Tama na.
That's good, bro.
Good, good. Good. We have good answers with,
In the past few months.
each one
Like,
of us.
we-
And
we are doing
moving on to the next question, what are you trying to accomplish, or what are you looking forward to in the next 6 months of the year? Because it's the first half and the second half. So guys, if you have one, please get the mic. Gets ba?
Oh, me?
Okay.
I'm trying to accomplish like on the next school year, on this going sem.
Okay. Yeah. The next semester.
I'm trying to accomplish like I want flat uno in all subjects. Like that's true, man. Life
Damn.
begins when the fear is gone. Pag nawala na yung takot mo, wala.
So how do you plan to achieve that? What are your like what the
Movements.
yeah
Is to
the
improve
steps?
The steps, yeah.
is to improve what I've been improve. I-improve ko yung kung paano ako nag-improve.
I get it.
Like 3 times, not just 2 times. Kung pwede nga 10 times, 10 times, di ba?
Pwede naman yung
Yes.
Talagang
Yeah.
work hard, need sleep, di ba?
I agree.
3 hours sleep is enough. Di ba? Basta,
but you
you're doing well.
you don't have to neglect your health just because.
but
But sometimes we need.
we
but,
need, di ba? Our course, like IT, dentistry, engineering, ano si course mo pare?
IS.
Diba? IS. Like, kahit saan ka pumuntang course, walang madali.
Yeah, bro.
Kahit sabi mong, di ba yung iba, minamalit nila yung HRM. Sige nga, ikaw na tamad sa bahay, mag-HRM ka. Di ba? Matalino ka lang sa gusto mo. Pero kung hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo, huwag mong mamalitin yung mga bagay na gusto nila.
Tama.
Di ba? Lahat mahirap, walang madali.
Yeah, that's good. Another answer, please.
Ano?
You have
And
additional
follow up. Additionally, divisionally, multiply and see.
And lastly,
Di ba? Lahat pwede naman makatapos. Like, lahat pwede maging okay. Pero hindi lahat pwede maging world class.
Yeah.
Gusto mo tapusin
tsaka
kita
hindi
ngayon.
naman paunahan sa buhay.
Oh,
Yan.
life's not a race.
You have
Sabi
one?
Ben, hindi siya race, kundi marathon.
Marathon.
Kumbaga, kahit anong oras ka makarating dun sa finish line, basta dun pa rin yung pupuntahan mo.
Totoo yan.
Tama.
Alright.
Yeah, marathon.
Another
Marathon.
answer.
Ang ganda nun,
Athlete,
boy.
marathon, gusto ko yan.
Life is
Another
not a race. It's
answer.
marathon.
Ako, syempre,
graduating student. So, dun sa 6 months na gusto kong mangyari, sa paparating ngayon, syempre, makahanap ako ng trabaho na kayang sustentuhan yung mga bagay na gusto ko. At least, kasama na din doon, syempre, yung kaya kong sustentuhan din yung mga pangangailangan ng mga magulang ko, yung mga expenses ba. Yun lang naman. And then, kasama na doon, syempre, patuloy pa rin, kumbaga continuous learning pa rin doon sa industry ng IT. Yun lang.
Okay. For the next 6 months, I'm looking forward for, you know, another SEM and yeah, another version of me. May kanta na ako muna. But I'm trying to, you know, get out of my best and or comfort zone and strive really hard and study hard and train hard. That's it.
Hard.
Yeah.
Hard.
Hard.
Harder.
Yeah, next. How about you? Last.
Yeah.
What are you looking for the next
Yeah.
months?
I just want to overcome my laziness. Parang gusto kong maging healthy, productive, like my tropa, kapatid, kaibigan. Tsaka yung mga negative thinking.
Overcome to.
Yeah. More on maging positive. Yeah.
You can.
And if I can give any, you know, advice or on that, cause I've been there too, you know. Gusto ko lang sabihin na pare, nandun tayo sa point na alam mo yun, ramdam kita eh. Siguro una natin yung kalusugan, no. As an athlete, para sa akin naging mas positive yung tingin ko sa buhay once na yung bumalik ako sa sa pagiging athlete tsaka healthy ka ganon. Di naman sinasabing na totally tanggalin mo yung alak eh. Pwede mo naman siyang balikan pero hindi ka ganon ka abusive. Kasi ako nung naging abusive ako nung time na yun. Kaya na parang nawala din yung confidence ko sa sarili ko. Yun lang, bro. So sana maging yung mga sinabi mo ngayon yung mga sinabi mo sa amin at sa sarili mo. Alam mo yan, maging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo and magagawa mo naman yan, bro. Basta magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mo. Tsaka ako gusto mo naman, like, syempre, mahirap kasi mag-reach out sa amin. We barely see each other and we barely talk to each other. Kahit naman chat yan, hindi naman kami ganun kadalas mag-usap. So, mahirap talaga sa, you know, nasa adulting part na kami ng mga buhay namin. Hindi na kamukha dati. Iba-iba na yung mga klase namin. Siyempre, may mga ano na doon. Hindi naman namin like ka-vibes lahat, ganun. So, I'm just trying to, you know, trying my best to be close to one another. Yung pag may mga gantong gathering kasi is a important thing to me na makasama mo ulit yung mga tropa mo nun, ganun. Kasi yun nga, madalang na lang. Ayun, bro.
It's like once a year na lang na tayo nakikita.
Hindi ba, minsan na, hindi na 1-0, ilang, ano na yan. Sana. Pero, you know, at least we try to, you know, show up and make some effort para magkita-kita ulit. Yun lang yung talagang pasasalamat ko sa inyo kasi dumating kayo ngayon and itong video na to, pinlan ko talaga siya on purpose kasi pwede natin siyang i-replay or, you know, pwede natin siyang, yun nga, replay, rewatch or, you know, send ko sa group chat natin. Pwede natin siyang, kumbaga, nawawala na tayo sa landas. Kumbaga, yung mga sinabi natin dito, pwede nating i-rewind. Oo nga pala, no. Ito yung rason kung bakit ako nagpapatuloy ngayon. Pwede natin gawing inspirasyon. Yun lang.
Pero mas maganda sana kung kompleto tayo, no?
Ayun nga, yun nga din yung kinakasakit na loob ko ngayon kasi hindi kami kompleto, bro. So, medyo masakit lang sa part ko na nag-effort ako para, alam mo yun, konting chat, konting usap sa GC para lang, alam mo yun, makumpleto kami ulit.
Para
But,
makain yung pansit.
you know, yung priorities kasi natin nag-iiba eh.
Tsaka yung mga
O yung iba, wala sila. So, yeah
Kaya
man.
hindi na natin masisisi.
Sayang.
Busy life.
Pero kung darating man ngayon si AC, ibabalik natin yung mga tanong sa kanya. Magsosolo siya dito. yun lang bro. Sana yung mga sinabi ko naging lesson. Pati yung mga nakikinig sa inyo. Sana ma-apply nyo yan sa buhay nyo, man. And yeah, as we move on, man, 2024 is just malapit nang matapos and moving on to the next year na tayo. And sobrang bilis lang ng panahon, man. Dati, senior high school lang kami. Ngayon, nasa college na. And
May graduate na.
May mga nag-graduate na. And, you know, masaya kami para sa kanila. And, yeah. I guess, it's just the pacing of each one of us. And, syempre, natututo rin tayo sa mga pagkakamali natin. And, yun. Solid na, solid na pagsasama yung, Kala ko nga kanina, kaming dalawa na lang ni Vlad eh. Walang nagre-reply sa inyo eh.
Hindi, ako,
Paano ko ubusin yung pansit?
Dahil isang bila.
Tsaka sa totoo lang, malamig dito sa Piaso.
Oo, tigas titi.
totoo miss cheese.
What is the next
Do you have, for the next one, if you have any messages to yourself or to other people or to your future self, kung meron kang kunwari ako, meron akong gusto sabihin para sa next year na ako, pwede kong i-rewind, ganyan. Yung message mo sa sarili mo, siguro mga 3 to 5 years from now, gano'n. Or, basically, man, your personal things to say. Yung mga gusto mong baguhin sa sarili mo. Basta, kung ano man yung lumabas sa isip mo, magpasalamat ka sa mga nanonood. Actually, wala naman nanonood sa akin. Yun, pero yun.
Dadating din yan.
Pero gusto ko lang ituloy yung mga gantong bagay, bro. As we grow old, man. Yun nga, sobrang dalang lang namin magkita. Tsaka yung outing, sobrang dalang lang na mag-outing. Ano ba, bro? Ikaw, may gusto kang sabihin?
Sa sarili
Shoutout
ko?
mo si mama mo. Ganyan.
Ma, kung napapanood mo to, please lang wag. Nagbe-vape ako. Tapos mamaya inom
Pwede
pa kami.
naman, kung, yun nga, message to your future self.
Message to my future self. Syempre, lagi mong tandaan na pinaghirapan mo to. To my future self, pinaghirapan mo lahat to. Or lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, kasalanan mo.
Tama.
Naging mayaman ka, kasalanan mo kasi nagpakahirap ka. Kung humirap ka, or lumugmok ka sa kalagayan mo, like, di ba? Kahit paano.
Baka mag-addict ka.
Oo. Wag naman sana, di ba?
Wag naman sana, wag talaga.
Wag talaga. Yeah.
Wag talaga, pre.
Lahat na nangyari sa'yo to my future self, kasalanan mo. It's either good or bad, lahat ng yan, kagagawan mo kasi hindi ka na bata. I mean, hindi ka na baby para gabayan pa ng todo, di ba? Bulbuling ka na. Diyos ko.
What a word.
Matanda ka na, talagang lahat na nangyayari sa'yo, kasalanan mo. Kung bumagsak ka, umahon ka.
Yeah.
Ang tamis mo.
We done, bro.
Oo, malamig na.
Next.
Oo.
I have another.
Ako siguro, congrats sa future ako. Kasi, nakikita ko naman sa sarili ko na may pupuntahan yung mga pinaggagawa ko sa ngayon. So, kino-congrats ko yung sarili ko dun sa future ko kasi alam ko na mangyayari lahat ng mga bagay na gusto kong marating sa buhay. Kumbaga, positive lang.
Yeah.
Diba? Mangyayari yan. Hindi man sa ngayon, kumbaga hindi man ganun kabilis, pero naniniwala ako na mangyayari yun. Yun lang. Congrats.
Yeah.
You have one, man.
You first, man.
Honestly, I'm just, trying to live the days that, every day I'm trying to be better and I'm trying to make better decisions for myself. Masabi ko lang, man, proud yung youngest version mo. Yung nung bata ka pa. Hindi mo mamamalayan na sobrang bilis ng panahon na nandito ka na. And proud daw sa mga desisyon na ginawa mo, and sana hindi siya sana it will gonna happen, and you just have to keep trying and trying for the things that you want and mga bagay na gusto mong mapuntahan, marating, or whatever, man. But always remember that maging grateful ka sa mga bagay na meron o wala ka, or you must focus on the things that you have, not the things that you don't have, and you maximize those things para maabot mo yung mga bagay. So yeah, yun lang. Next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To my future self.
Yeah.
Nagkikipaglaban tayo dito sa mga what ifs. Pero, we're gonna make it, bro. Magiging successful tayo dyan. Masusukulan natin yung mga paghihirap ng magulang natin. Yeah.
Masusuklian yung paghihirap mo, pare.
Yeah. Absolutely.
All the efforts that you've done for yourself and for your
Wow.
family will,
Is paid off.
Yeah.
will pay off.
Okay. That's all.
Yun lang. At gusto ko lang ulit magpasalamat sa mga taong nag-show up, sa mga taong pumunta rito. B-side, magingay! Yun lang, guys.
Nakalam ko! Galing pang Maribelis, Bataan!
Tipsy D! Yan, guys. We're gonna end this video. Yan. Pasalamatan nyo muna sila, boy.
Thank you. Konnichiwa.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Bye-bye! Peace out!